Hello everyone, Sergey here. Today I'm gonna be reviewing the app called Rewarded Play Earn Gift Cards. Okay, let's dive in and check if we can get any gift card. They are saying that you can get a free gift card in 3 easy steps. Install some games, have fun playing them, come back after a day, and bam, you get a free gift card. Let's check. Many of the apps that you will install will have the same options, pretty much the same. So for example, this one, I need to use this app for 50 minutes to get 500 points. It doesn't mean that I need to play it, but to have this app open. Other options are related to level completion, so I need to complete level 5, 10, 15 and so on and so forth. The minimum amount of points that you need is 45k, and that equals to $5. Okay, I have enough points to convert it to a free gift card. Let's check it. They are offering plenty of brands to choose from, but I'll go with Amazon. So they are asking to confirm my phone number. So I've got a code on my phone and entering it here. First and last name, agree with terms and condition, confirm final review and request gift card. I'm all set and the card should be ready within 24 hours. On the next day they notified me that my card is ready and I can claim a code. Now it is time to test if this card can be redeemed. Okay, it all worked. $5 have been added to my Amazon balance. Yay! That's great. But that is not the end. And I wanted to check if I could earn more and redeem more. There are many ways to earn points here. First, installing and opening apps. Second, using apps for some minutes. More often you have to use an app for 4 minutes to get 250 points, but it may vary from app to app. Third, completing tasks mentioned inside of an app, which could be reaching specific level, for example. Fourth, playing mini in-games. This will give you few points for reaching these in-games points. You'll be competing with other players. A competition happens every hour, so you have 5 attempts to reach the maximum points to get a jackpot if you hold the first place. Other option is inviting your friends. For any of your invites who install Rewarded Play using your link and get their first gift card, they'll give you 45k bonus points, which equals to $5. Here's the great thing. For every 10th person you invite that earns their first card, you'll get 10, 20, 30, 40 and even $50. If you can get 50 people to get their first gift card, you'll have earned $195 in gift card. And here's the question, where to get these 50 people? Other option is doing surveys. They have Top Research and Theorem. I don't really like surveys because they can cut you off in the middle, but I've taken a couple of them just to try it. And the last option is signing up for Permanent Plus. I haven't tried this, but it is saying that you could get $5 for this. Here's the strategy I played every day. First, I earned 5k bonus points by doing these special tasks. Then I opened all my installed apps one by one to get points for usage. Overall, I've been able to redeem $15, and that is within 1 week. This app is my favorite at this moment. I can confirm that this app is legit. Totally recommend you. If you have any different results, please post your comment to notify everybody else who's playing this app. Thank you for watching. Thank you for participating. I hope it can help you in any way. Have a good day.